Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our new collection for May. It's called Choose Your Own Adventure. We have got a lot of things, so let me start showing you what we have. So these are our collection packs. We've got our 12 by 12 collection pack and I'll just show you our papers from in the collection. So this is the first one, it's called Journey and it's got some nice text on the back. These papers are great for boys and your teens and your young adults. This one's called No Limits and it's a great background. We've done all the mixed media for you already on the background. Cute little circles on the B side. This one is called Dream Big. Nice big chevron on the back. Another great background where we've already got this visual triangle here for you and it's called Find Your Way. Some stripes on the back. This one is called Ready Go and these are great if you love fussy cutting. I love these feathers. We have got some cool projects with them I'll show you shortly. The stars on the back. This one here is called Currently Awesome and it is super awesome because this colorway is on this side. If you flip it over you have this one and these tags all here will cut out the same on the front and the back in both the color families. This one is called Authorized Personnel Only. It's great to fussy cut out. And this nice little stripy situation on the back. This one's our layer cuts and these are so good if you like to create your own embellishments. So you can so many things to layer up and create them for you. And you have got the graph on the back. So that is all of our papers for this collection. The 6x6 collection pack has all of those papers just in miniature. Okay, let's take a look at the dies. So we have two dies for May. This one here is called Honeycomb and it is a slimline die. So this will fit on the front of our slimline cards. And this is Chevron Stripes, also gonna fit the length of our slimline cards. So they're our two dies. We have our creative cuts, of course, which match this collection. And we have some enamel dots. So these enamel dots also match the collection perfectly. Two mini little stamps for May. This one's called Artie Hypno and we don't have many of these. They are included in the kit if you are thinking of waiting to get the kit. This one here is Crosswords and we have heaps of that one, so you're all good. This is our little mini stencil. It's called Tiny Hex. And this is our embossing folder, which is Happy Birthday. How often do you just need to make a quick birthday card? And this makes a great background for that. Laser cut, cute little icons, emojis and things. Perfect for all your boys and your teens. And we have these new, so these are super fun. These are our little star embellishments. So these are the gold ones. These are the silver ones. And these are the blue ones. So the gold ones are included in the kit this month. And we also are releasing our very own glass domes in 10mm and in 8mm. So the two different sizes for those. I'm just going to show you the cut apart sheets now. So we've got our watercolor cut apart sheets. So you can color these in with your watercolor markers or paints and things, or just cut them out and leave them white. This is a bonus cut apart sheet. It's a new essentials one, just with some really great words on it. This one is your mini cut apart sheets, the one that we've used with our card making kit. And our regular cut apart sheet, which works with all your essential dies. One last thing to show you is our Embelly bag. So our Embelly pack, if you want one, has got the laser cut, the creative cuts, some of the blue stars and some black rhinestones. Let me quickly show you some of the projects the DT have made. They're amazing. Remember that sheet I showed you with all the feathers? How amazing is that? So good for boys, for travel, for your teens. Such a great collection. Oh, and that's that hexagon die in the background there. Another one with the honeycomb, I should call it. This one here is using all those tags and the layer cuts and the little cutouts. So boys all ages, doesn't have to be teens. Here's another one. Okay, so here's a cute travel one a vet has done with her teen daughters. So cool. Love this one with this collection. Another one of her daughter driving the car. See, not just for boys. This one here is great. It's got all of those chevron dies layered in the background and I love that Mummy and Me picture. It's so beautiful. This one here is done with that background. You know how I said it already had that visual triangle? Using all the layer cuts and little pieces. Stunning, stunning boy too. Love this one, it just matches these papers so beautifully. We have the most talented DT. We are so blessed to have so many great artists in Australia that can create with our products. So it's using the watercolor cardstock on the background, just painting the stripes, so effective. And another one with girls. So there's just some ideas. Of course, there's plenty of ideas in the magazine and there'll be a lot more on the blog. I'm just going to show you some quick cards. If you're not a card maker, it doesn't matter. How often do you need to have a card though in your stash? Great cards, gender neutral. There's that embossing folder on the back of this one. Great for your stash, really good slimline cards. These two are slimlines, perfect. And there'll be lots of blog posts and things on these as well. So fun, so bright. Love this one with those feathers. Let me very quickly show you what's in the kit. If you're waiting to buy the kit will be available on the 5th of the month, and this is everything that is in the kit. So you've got your enamel dots, you've got some foam mount circles, got your laser cut, the happy birthday embossing folder, creative cuts, I've got those golden stars, the tiny hex stencil, that's the Artie Hypno stamp I was showing you before. We have got these pearls, the silver pearls. This is the lowercase white alpha stickers, your watercolor cut apart, your regular cut apart, the magazine, which of course has all of the cards and layouts, instructions ones, inspiration ones. It's just full to the goog of amazing things. A couple of sheets of our watercolor cardstock in the 360 GSM and the collection pack. So that is available on the 5th of May if you're waiting to get the kit. Everything else is available on our website now to order. All our wholesalers have got all of their product in the mail, so they should have this available for you too. So pop into your local store if you can and support them, help them keep their doors open. Thank you so much for all your support, and we hope you love this collection as much as we do. Till next time, bye.